Are you ready to unlock the secrets to generating $10,000 in passive income streams in 2025? Imagine waking up each day with money flowing into your bank account while you sleep. Sounds amazing, right? Well, it's not only possible, but it can be easier than you think. First, let's talk about digital assets. Think ebooks, online courses, or even stock photos. Create once and earn forever. Next up, real estate crowdfunding. With just a small investment, you can own a piece of lucrative properties and earn rental income without the headaches of management. Don't forget about dividend stocks. Invest in companies that pay you just for holding their shares. It's like getting paid to be a shareholder. And let's not overlook affiliate marketing. By promoting products you love, you can earn commissions effortlessly. The key is to diversify your income streams. The more you have, the more secure and profitable your financial future will be. So, are you ready to take action? Start exploring these options today and pave your way to financial freedom in 2025. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on building passive income.